Module 3. File Systems and Data Structures. Welcome to this comprehensive tutorial on file systems and data structures. In this video, we will introduce different file systems, discuss file system analysis and metadata examination, and explore techniques for recovering deleted files and file carving. Let's begin with an introduction to file systems and their significance in organizing and managing data on storage devices. Operating systems use a file system to organize and store files on storage devices. Different file systems have structures and features, each designed for specific purposes. Some of the commonly used file systems include FAT File Allocation Table and TFS New Technology File System, and DXT4 Fourth Extended File System. FAT is widely used in removable storage devices, while NTFS is the default file system for Windows operating systems. DXT4 is a popular file system in Linux. FAT uses a file allocation table to keep track of file location on the disk. It has a relatively simple structure but lacks advanced features like file permissions and journaling. On the other hand, NTFS provides advanced features such as file encryption, access control, and journaling for improved reliability. DXT4 is known for its performance and scalability, supporting large file systems and files. Now, let's dive into file system analysis and metadata examination, which involves understanding the internal structures and information stored within file systems. File system analysis examines all file system structure, organization, and metadata. It helps understand how files are stored, locate deleted files, and extract valuable information from the file system. Metadata, such as file names, timestamps, file sizes, and file permissions, provide crucial information about files stored within the file system. Analyzing metadata can reveal important insights and aid in forensic investigations. Sometimes, files may be accidentally deleted or intentionally removed. Let's explore techniques for recovering deleted files. File recovery involves recovering files that have been deleted, lost, or corrupted. Specialized file recovery software can scan storage devices and identify recoverable files by examining the file system's metadata and remnants of deleted files. By carefully analyzing the file system and utilizing various recovery techniques, retrieving deleted files and restoring them to their original state is possible. In some cases, conventional methods may not recover deleted files. This is where file carving techniques come into play. File carving involves extracting files from raw data by identifying file signatures or specific file patterns. It is useful when file system metadata is unavailable or corrupted. File carving tools analyze the raw data and reconstruct files based on known file signatures, enabling the recovery of fragmented or partially overwritten files. Understanding file systems, conducting file system analysis, and employing techniques like recovering deleted files and file carving are essential for digital forensics and data recovery. This comprehensive tutorial has provided a detailed overview to help you grasp these concepts. In the next tutorial, we will delve into detail about file carving and how to do it. Thank you for watching. Click on the link below to test your understanding of this module.